Programming constructs. All programming languages use program constructs. In other words, they are used to control the flow in which the statements are executed. Basic programming constructs are listed below. Sequences. In sequences, the instructions of a programming programs are executed in the same sequences as they are written one after the other. This is the natural flow of working most of the time. For example, to make a T, you follow the sequence of instruction. Selection. A selection statement provides for selection between alternatives in many languages. If statement is used for selection. If the statement is a conditional statement, for example, if number is divisible by print that number is even, else print that number is odd. Reputation. A reputation construct causes a group of one or more program statement to be repeated until some add condition in met. Typically, such constructs are used to step through a raised of or linked list. We can identify two main forms of reputation: finite and infinite. Some terms used in programming. Constant. A constant is a value that remains constant during the execution of a program. A constant can be a number, a character, or a sequence of a character string. Variable. A variable is defined as a container in which we may have different values during the execution of a program. Variables are named memory locations that are used to store programs data. Each variable is given a distance name. When the program runs, different memory locations are allocated to variables. The data is stored in the memory and read for it with the reference to variable name. Syntax. Syntax refers to the spellings and grammar of language used for programming. Syntax defines the use of words, numbers, and punctuation of a programming language. Syntax error and logical error. Each programming language has its own rule. If the rules of programming language are not followed properly, the resulting error is called the syntax error. A program with syntax error is not valid, hence it crashes when it runs. Incorrect punctuation, incorrect word sequences, or uses of terms result in syntax error. If the rules of the program are followed correctly but the programmer made any other mistake, it is then the logical error. It that cause the program will run, but the results of the program would not be as intended. Visual programming language structure. Structure is a visual programming language that does not require writing of commands. It is very easily and accessible to use, as you can correct a program just by arranging the blocks in the proper order. There are two ways in which you can use the structure. By, by downloading the file to your personal device, by working online or on its website, i.e. https structure the dot made dot edu.